Welcome to the fascinating world of artificial intelligence.
Mag-AI ka na lang. AI ko na lang.
Okay, class. Okay, class. Mahuli ko mag-AI.
Uy, tara! Gala na tayo. Assignment pa.
Kaya naman gawin yan ng AI. Kahit ano pa yan. Thesis, essay, script, video, saka image editing. AI na lang gagawa para sa'yo.
Good day everyone, my name is Julian Del Monte and today I am going to answer the 3 questions about the performance task that given to us. So number 1, what or who were the pop culture event trends and icons that I have chosen? So for my video, I choose AI intelligence or artificial intelligence to feature my video. So number 2, what made them popular? So artificial intelligence became popular in the year of 2020 because as we all know that especially the all student out there, AI intelligence is the best tools that we can use, especially in our studies. So, nagamit namin siya around pandemic. So, mas napabilis niya talaga yung mga activities namin na ginagawa. So, aside from that, artificial intelligence, hindi lang siya sa pag-aaral nakakatulong, which is sa trabaho din or business. So, mas nakakakuha tayo ng idea or mas nalalaman natin yung iba pa nating mga katanungan about business in the help of AI. Number 3. So, how did the artificial intelligence affect me? As a student, of course, it affects positive and negative because as we can see, AI intelligence or AI, yes, it helps us para magamit siya or makapag-research tayo ng mabilis. But of course, it have affect me and negative. Kasi, halip na matututo tayo, parang mas nagiging tamad tayo kasi alam natin na may maaasahan tayo na mas mabilis na makakapagsagot sa atin. But of course, pwede naman natin siya gamitin in a right way na para kumuha lang ng mga ideas na hindi natin lahat kinukuha. So, yun lang po.